So today we will see how to make different kind of symbols using the Microsoft Word. For example, I write 2706, I press Alt X. So call symbol came. I write 2708, I press Alt X. Flight symbol came. I write 2706, sorry 09, Alt X. Email came. Like this you can try any number, like I write 2711 Alt X. So this symbol came. So this is how you can make convert the numbers into the symbols in the Microsoft Word by writing any number and using a command of Alt plus X. What's the command? I will write here numeric number, then Alt plus X. So this is the way. Okay friends, hope you like the video.